Today is Monday, April 7th, 2025, and I am here again at the Court of Appeals, Colorado Supreme Court in Denver, Colorado. I'm here for another update on the lawsuit against Sheriff Justin Smith. Today I filed an objection to Justin Smith's attorney's motion to strike. So Brian Reynolds is asking the Court of Appeals to basically remove a public record from my opening brief. The reason that Justin Smith's attorney wants to remove a public record from his case is because Brian Reynolds is being investigated by the Colorado Supreme Court Office of Attorney Regulation Counsel. It's easy to understand why Brian Reynolds would like to hide the public record in the Justin Smith case, because Attorney Brian Reynolds admitted in writing that he destroyed evidence of Justin Smith's guilt. And District Court Judge Stephen Jouard in the 8th Judicial District issued an order concerning Brian Reynolds' questionable behavior throughout the entirety of the case against Justin Smith. The district court order, the case file in the case against Justin Smith is a public record. The only thing that's not a public record in that case file are exhibits. Even some of those exhibits are part of the public record if they have been released prior to becoming an exhibit. I will post the entire objection to Justin Smith's motion to strike public records along with this video. If you're wondering why I do these updates from the Court of Appeals Supreme Court in Denver, Colorado, is not, I don't film these videos because I like driving all the way to Denver and I just want to do a live shot. As a pro se litigant, I am required to drive to this building, walk into the clerk's office, and hand file these documents. Every time there's something to file in the case, I have to drive down here and file it in person. That's a significant obstacle to seeking justice and achieving justice. If you do not have enough money to hire an attorney who can electronically file everything they do, then if you're like me and live at least 2 hours from Denver, then you have to plan for an entire day to file one document. That has to happen every single time I have to file something. What that means in practicality is that if I have 7 days to respond to a motion to strike, such as this one, then I lose an entire day. So basically I have 6 days to write the response. Now, I'm not complaining. I'm just pointing out the fact that if you cannot afford an attorney, you have a lot of extra legwork to do. Remember, these cases are not about me. They are about the hundreds or thousands of maliciously prosecuted, wrongfully convicted criminal defendants in Larimer County, Colorado. My case is not about criminal behavior on my side. What my cases are about is the illegal, wrongful, intentional violations of the law by Sheriff Justin Smith, Sheriff John Fayen, Brady Cop Brian Koopman, and so many others who are helping that trio get away with crimes. As an investigative journalist, whether I'm covering my own cases against government officials or covering the cases of maliciously prosecuted and wrongfully convicted men or women, my whole purpose is to show the public how the government gets away with illegal actions, and in doing so, how to stop it.